Welcome guys, this is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner, and today what I'm going to share with you is some items we usually get at the grocery stores, and once they're empty, I save these containers to store things in, or you could save them to make some crafty DIYs. For instance, we get the mixed nuts, and this is Kirkland brand, and we get this from Costco, and my husband goes through these quite often. So this is such a cute container. I love that it's clear, and I love the shape of it, and it's an awesome size. It's also a nice little lid that's on here. Now on the wee yogurt, I enjoyed this. This is a little bit more on the pricey side, but this is what I like. And this is such a classy container. This is made out of glass, and it's a nice shape to it. And it's small enough that you could store your little knickknacks in there. And also Amazon has some bamboo lids that fits nicely on this too as well. So another thing I'm going to be sharing with you guys is how to get these stickies off. So I'm going to go ahead and warm up my heating tool. So this could be a doozy to get off. So let's go ahead and apply some heat to that and see how easy this comes off. You could see it's starting to break away there from the sides. See, it's melting there from the sides, and it's making that easy to peel up. Let's do this side right here. You see how it's breaking away from the side? You could see that. I hope you guys could see that in the camera. And there it comes off in one sweeping motion. And let's try this one right here. And that's just going to melt the glue to the back of that. And it just makes it so much easy to peel off. Alrighty, so that's today's quick tip, guys. I hope you got creative value from today's video. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette, and I shall catch you guys on my next video.